Once again.
Hi guys, so we're on the second day. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the kids on rides, and this is my outfit for the day. We're gonna go into IHOP. It's the first time we're trying it, and the girls, the kids, they're gonna have breakfast. Oh yes guys, the restaurant is in the back.
The biggest. The tallest.
Got a rabbit.
The fastest. No trip to Niagara Falls is complete without a visit to the Guinness World of Records Museum. The biggest. The tallest.
Look. Oh, so beautiful. What are you called? Look how pretty she is. Thank you.
May I have a drum roll, please? You are about to witness our fearless wire walker. Step into the big top and look up.
Okay, we're gonna go on this, guys. And Sunny, she's excited. Say hi. So we're going on now, guys, and I'll show you. We're on it. Yeah.
Welcome to the Niagara Skywheel.
The
Your
sky
safety, please
wheel.
remain
It's called the
seated
sky
and do not
wheel.
lean against the gondola doors.
Yeah. You
Enjoy
like it?
the view. Look how we're going. We get to look at almost everything.
Wow.
Whoa, there's the falls all the way over there.
Oh yeah.
And their triple tower ride, the Skyscraper. In the northerly direction, Casino Niagara is located across from the Rainbow Bridge, which joins Canada and the United States. Across the Rainbow Bridge lies Niagara Falls, New York, and the American Falls, 4.5 kilometers per hour, which allows a perfect opportunity to sit back and cycle of 3 revolutions has an approximate duration of 8 minutes. The windows have been developed to minimize the glare of the sun and allow for great picture opportunities. Enjoy your ride on the Niagara Skywheel.
And guys, the ride is awesome. Sonny? We have a good time, right? Now we're gonna go on more rides. We're out. Sonny gonna go on this. Oh, Sonny, you're gonna go in here. We're gonna go in this one. And guys, we're gonna play the game, the zombie game. Yay! Hey Sonny, that was fun. Next guys, we're gonna go there. We're on the red carpet. Walk on the red carpet, Sonny. Walk. Wow, there she goes. Robert De Niro. Iron Man. And his iron suit. Nicole Kidman. Tom Hanks.
Very psychedelic, yeah!
To jail. You ran a pyramid scheme.
Him? No.
I am the great and powerful Wizard of Oz. Yours is special. Therefore, Scarecrow.
Famous Batman. Can't miss Batman, Sonny. Seconds. Oh my God, it's a lot in here to see. It's a lot to see.
The trunk for great humorous effect.
he said.
house.
We have to go into?
Because you don't have to. They say you don't have to. You can go around. I'm going by myself.
I'm going in. Come, Sonny. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Where you at? Oh my God.
I want to get out of here faster.
Sonny, we are coming. Go, Sonny, follow him. We're done.
I'm not standing there. I'm out here.
Oh, we're Sonny. Sonny said, I'm out of here. It was good. Sonny said, no, let's go. You were scared?
Yes.
Say bye. And guys, thank you so much for having a wonderful time. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Let's go, Sonny.